Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you'll learn how you can easily send fake snaps on Snapchat. So let's start. First, what you want to do, let's rotate my cam. And right now, what I'm going to do, I will click here on the search and I'm going to write here camera roll. Now what you want to do is just click here on try lens. And when I have it, now you're going to choose a photo. So I don't know, let's just find something. Yeah, I got a photo here of a t-shirt, Jesus riding waves. I'm just going to click on it and then I will just click on it and here we go. So by the way, this photo is perfect. Like try to imagine, look at this Jesus, how he's happy on this photo, right? He's just riding the waves because he can walk on the water. So like, damn, I'm just enjoying the wave here. And then what you want to do, you can just easily send it just by clicking, and you can send it to whoever, like here, and it's sending right now. So, and this is how we can actually make it. It's quite simple. We can also try different kind of photo for showcase, but I don't have many photos here. I have only like quotes. I have flower here. Yeah. And here we go. And the same thing, same style, you know how it goes. So thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye. Bye bye.